Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. This is part 3, chapter 3 of building an anvil feedback form. They said 10 minutes. I'm pushing 20 minutes already. All right, so now anvil server module, blah, 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 so we can trust them to do what we want. This is why we'll use a server module to write to the data table. All right, create a server module by clicking the plus next to the server code in the app browser. All right, so I'm looking for server module. Okay, so let's take a look. Here it is. Set a startup form. That doesn't look. Services. Okay, so what am I looking for? By clicking plus next to the server code. Okay, here's a plus. Add server module. All right. You code with yellow background. Okay, I got that. Moving on. Store data using a server function. We'll write a server function to add a new row to the feedback table. We'll use the add row method. Add this function to your server module. I'm not going to waste time with typing it. Just copy paste. Yes, it's a decorator because you see the @ sign there. We're using the datetime, blah, 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 blah. So at this top, we're going to install from datetime, import datetime. We're using the datetime library to set the graded. Okay, so I need to import datetime class. All right, that should work. And this was relatively fast, so we'll go straight to the next chapter. And write some client side. Set up an event handler. Okay, click on form 1. Click on the submit button. And you'll scroll to the bottom of the properties menu. You'll see a list of events for the button. Okay, so a list of events. Okay, show, hide, click. And what else do we have here? Okay, you'll see a list of button. Click next to click. You'll be taken to the formatter's code view. This is where you add the client-side Python. All right. All right, so I'm going to make this big and click on the blue. Okay, I don't need code snippets. Do I? Okay, def click. Okay, this is the Python method. For example, to display a simple button, edit, you click the button. Okay. Paste. Save, theoretically. And we go down here, mark complete. And now I should be able to run the app. Okay, I'm just going to take the defaults. I don't see anything changing. Okay. Nothing changed there. Okay, stop. Okay. I should have gotten an alert, but I didn't. And I got no pop-up blockers operating here. stop. Let's go back to our, what should we get? All right, so I didn't get the submit button and click function. Add an article button. This is the button that runs when the add an article button is clicked. What add an article is button? Okay, so I click, feedback form. Open a new tab. Let's see if this makes it easier to see. Click. That's it. Just click. Okay. All right. So I click the button, submit design, scroll down, click button, submit. Okay, that might explain it. It's not properly. Okay, the control / was able to fix that, comment out this. So now let's go to design and run. And I click the button. Okay, very good. Stop and let's go back. Okay, and I got a button, so that works. Capture user inputs. Okay. When someone clicks submit, we can read the data, we can read the data, edit, submit your button, click like this. Copy. I'm going to go back to my button code. Actually, no, code right there. And okay, change all that. And tab in, Control S to save. Theoretically, something will change now. Okay, I didn't get any output. Okay. Right, I go back to the tutorial. If you and pass in, okay, this means we can call it. Let's call our add feedback from. Okay. Okay. Basically, this is the same thing over, but with more detail. Now I run it. I don't know if anything's going to actually change. Okay, that's what it is. I'm going to mark this complete, even though the tutorial should say something should have changed, but it doesn't. Display notification, thank you. Why do I have to keep pasting all this and just give me the complete code? Tab, Control S, run. And feedback submitted. Thank you. Stop. Stop that, and let's go back here. Mark complete. Clear our user inputs. Okay, so here's my code. I'm going to add another function, code. Tab, paste. Tab to indent. And they want me to add some more code that will clear the inputs. And I pop that at the bottom, right? Pretty sure it goes at the bottom. Yep. Okay, run. Now, will my input still be there? Guess not. All right, so after that, it wiped them away. Stop. And now we go back here, mark complete. Run my app, which I've done a bunch of times. Oh, but where is my text box? Okay, data tables. I click on data tables. Right. So where are my data tables? Data tables. Okay, so there's my data, and it seems to have worked. And mark complete. Okay, so that ends chapter 4. I will continue this video in another video because this one's already gotten too long. Thank you, and happy computing.